Why are there not more people talking about Silverado brake lights just not working? It's frustrating and can be a safety risk. Let's break down how to fix it step by step. First, let's check the simple stuff. Are your brake light bulbs burned out? Pop the tailgate, remove the light cover, and take a look. If they're dark or broken, swap them out with new ones. Still not working? Next, check your fuse box. Find the brake light fuse, usually labeled in your manual. A blown fuse means the circuit's interrupted. Replace it with the same type and size. If your bulbs and fuse are fine, the brake light switch might be the culprit. It's a small part under the brake pedal. Press the pedal and see if the switch moves. If it's stuck, loose, or broken, you may need a new one. Don't forget to check your wiring. Look for loose or corroded wires near the lights. Sometimes a simple wiggle or cleaning fixes the problem. Still no luck? It might be time for a pro. Electrical issues can get tricky, and you don't want to guess with your brakes. Remember, working brake lights keep you and others safe. Take a few minutes to check them now, and you'll be back on the road with confidence. Stay safe out there.